So I got Jimmy John's and I got the veggie. So it's just simply lettuce, avocado, cheese, tomato, cucumber, and that's it, you guys. It is bomb. Look at that. Oh, and I forgot, it also has mayo. Look at that, you guys. I love Jimmy John's. Mmm. Mmm. So fresh. And then I got their salt and vinegar chips. These are amazing. Ooh. Mmm. Oh my gosh, I love these chips. They're so salty. You know me, I love the crunch and chips with my sandwiches. Let's try that. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Oh my god, this is so fresh. Delicious. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Look at that. That's a good bite. Look at all that avocado. Mmm. Mm. And I have a Diet Coke since they don't have Coke Zero.